The pressure levels are holding steady right at the target.
Perfect. The meat looks thoroughly cleaned. I'll make a note of the cycle duration. We need to talk about the belt speed. It's moving too fast for this volume.
I'll adjust it right away.
The temperature looks stable now. Yeah, good catch on that calibration earlier, man.
We need to extend the wash cycle by 5 minutes. The rice is still cloudy.
Are you doing anything fun this weekend? I don't know yet. This batch looks really clean. Yeah, it does. Anyway, let's grab coffee later.
The water level is fluctuating too much. Adjust the flow rate immediately.
The flow rate seems consistent, but check the moisture levels on the last batch.
It is within tolerance, but we should monitor the next run closely.
It looks ready to me. The target is 12 hours, right?
Yeah, the hydration levels are optimal. We can start the draining process. This one is definitely rotten. Smells like your lunch.
Hey, watch it.
At least my lunch doesn't belong in the compost.
The sharpness is optimal now. We adjusted the alignment, which is why the rings are so consistent.
I see. Much better than before.
The temperature is holding steady at 350. Yeah.
Looks good. They are crisping up nicely.
The current batch is frying perfectly. See how golden and crisp they are.
Yes, the texture looks excellent. Let's maintain this temperature. I think we should increase the drainage speed slightly.
All right, adjusting it now.
That motor is pulling too many amps.
I know, but the airflow is steady. We can't stop the line now.
This batch must be from Peru. Look at the size of these roots.
Yeah, and the color is much brighter than the last shipment.
That's what I thought. They came in this morning straight from the cooperative.
Yeah. The moisture content seems slightly high on this batch.
Yes, I agree. We should adjust the drying time accordingly.
Keep an eye on the sizing over here. Some of these look a little small.
Yeah, I see that. We'll adjust the sorter calibration after this batch. The aroma in here is really something else today.
It's incredibly pungent. I love it, but wow.
The speeds seem optimized now. Yes, we're hitting the targets for this hour.
The cinnamon is separating too slowly. We should increase the vibration for the blend ratio. Okay, let's adjust the frequency and monitor the cardamom flow.
As you can see, the consistency is perfect right now.
Yeah.
Very smooth.
Yes, the viscosity meets the standard.
This profile ensures we hit the ideal flavor notes without scorching the exterior. We monitor the internal temperature here.
And the duration is set automatically.
Take a deep breath of that. Best part of the job, isn't it?
Absolutely. The aroma is so rich right now.
The color looks good. I'll take this sample for the lab.
Okay, the batch number is 42.
The turmeric hopper is running low.
Yeah.
We'll hit the target weight before it empties. Keep the speed steady.
Roger that. The concentration is confirmed at optimal levels.
Are you seeing the same temperature reading on your side? Yes, it's consistent with the manifest. We are clear for the transfer.
This marinade mix is looking absolutely incredible today.
The consistency is exactly what we needed.
You need to closely monitor the meat to liquid ratio here.
Understood. I'm watching the levels now.
The clamps are secure. What are we running the vacuum pressure at today? 25 inches of mercury. I'll get it set before we tumble.
At this rate, the tenderness should be exactly what we're aiming for.
Absolutely. The vacuum seal is holding strong, ensuring deep absorption.
Look at that coverage. Absolutely perfect.
The new marinade really adheres well.
The automated filler is running 10 minutes ahead of schedule on this batch. Good. We can start the braising process earlier than planned.
The flow rate is steady at 200 liters per minute, exactly as specified.
Excellent. Maintain that level for the next batch. That aroma is unbelievable. I know, it smells absolutely delicious. I can't wait for lunch.
It's currently at 120 RPM, optimizing the gravy texture.
Yes, the consistency looks perfect at this speed. Let's maintain it.
The pH level is slightly high with this batch of puree. We need to balance the acidity.
I'll adjust the seasoning ratio immediately.
Look how smoothly that's blending. The texture is perfect now. Yes, it's much creamier. The consistency is exactly what we wanted.
The pressure on vessel 4 is fluctuating slightly.
I see that on the tablet. Let's monitor it for the next hour before adjusting the flow.
The consistency is perfect. Go ahead and finish the liaison.
Yes, chef.
This new system is incredibly efficient. Look at that flow rate. Absolutely, it's performing even better than we anticipated.
The flow rate on vat 3 looks a little low. I just adjusted the valve. It should stabilize now.
We have to adjust the flow rate now, otherwise it will be mush. The timer says 2 more minutes, but I agree, it looks ready.
Turn the steam valve down, it's boiling too hard.
The consistency is perfect. Every grain is separate and elongated.
Agreed. The moisture content seems ideal for this batch.
We source directly from the farms. The rapid diffusion here shows the freshness.
And the saturation is excellent.
Thank you.
Keep an eye on the temperature gauge. It must stay above 45 degrees.
Yes, I just checked the panel. Everything is stable.
Look how evenly that's spreading across the base.
Yes, the viscosity is perfect right here. The calibration weight is high. We need to adjust it down by 10%. Agreed. Monitor the next cycle closely. This separation here, this is exactly what we want. See the distinct layers.
Yes, perfectly clear. I understand the requirement now. Look at the precision on that. It's perfectly level every time. Yep.
I know, this new system is incredible.
The current setting optimizes coverage at this speed.
Yeah.
But the pattern seems a little heavy on the left nozzles.
See how the gravy seeps into the bottom layer?
Yeah.
That locks the flavor in.
And the middle layer stays drier for texture.
The gentle folding action is crucial for the texture. Yeah.
And the automated sequence handles the consistency well.
Yeah. Much faster than the old method.
Confirmed, the final layer is in place. Assembly is completely covered.
The consistency of that grid pattern is remarkable, and the color saturation is absolutely stunning. It's perfect.
Check the seals on vessel 3 again. We can't afford any leaks at this pressure.
Looks good from here. The pressure is holding steady.
The pressure is climbing fast, and this valve is definitely loose. I see it. Stand back. I'm going to tighten it now. The timeline shows a bottleneck at the sealing stage for these units. Agreed. Let's adjust the staffing for the afternoon shift to compensate.
Look at that steam. It's perfect this time. The aroma is incredible. The saffron really comes through, perfectly balanced with the cardamom. This is exactly what we aim for.
Absolutely, chef.
Are the current settings enough for this volume?
No, we need to increase the torque by at least 20% to ensure it mixes thoroughly.
The churner is doing an excellent job with the blend. It looks absolutely stunning. The colors are vibrant. I'm increasing the belt speed to match the pour rate.
Okay, looks steady now. Keep monitoring the spread.
Will do. We need to ensure the core temperature stays above 70 degrees Celsius during transport.
The infrared lamps are handling it well, but I'll monitor the next batch closely.
We need to adjust the baseline on these buckets. The weight is showing slightly heavy.
Okay, I'll access the calibration menu now. That's a perfect fill right there.
Yeah.
Agreed. The new calibration is working well. This tray is slightly underfilled, and we need to adjust the portioning immediately.
Understood. I'll take care of it.
The tension on this roll seems high on the left. Okay, I'll dial it down 5% on the HMI. That should smooth it out.
These are the results from the last hour. Everything is well within tolerance.
I agree, but what about this spike right here at 1400 hours?
Careful with this one. It's heavier than the last batch.
Yeah, I noticed. Are we still on schedule for the afternoon run? We need to lower the temperature by at least 5 degrees immediately.
The current rate won't achieve the required drop in time.
Adjusting the flow now.
Look at the temperature curve right here. It's dropping exactly as projected. The rapid freeze is working perfectly. We're maintaining optimal efficiency.
Make sure the sensor catches the edge of the film right here. Yeah. And the temperature is holding steady before we apply the label.
The magenta cartridge is running low again.
Yeah, I see that. I've already ordered a replacement. It should be here by tomorrow.
The output quota is looking good today. We are running ahead of schedule.
Yes, the freezing section is handling the volume well.
30 minutes for the freezing duration, correct? Correct.
Yes, but keep an eye on the core temperature near the exit.
The last batch had issues with the folding guides right here.
Yes, I'll adjust the tension on the control panel now.
So then he tells me the machine is supposed to do that.
No way, he seriously said that.
We've increased throughput by 20% since the update. Look at the synchronization.
That's impressive work. Well done.
Look at the speed on that. It hasn't missed a single tray all morning. Yeah.
The precision is incredible. It's definitely improved our throughput.
We should clean the glue nozzles now. See how the adhesive is stringing slightly.
Yes, I see it. Let's prep the cleaning solution. The alignment on that last box was slightly high. I saw that. This one looks much better, though.
The last few barcodes have failed the scan check. Is the applicator calibrated correctly? Let me check the alignment. The scanner is showing a partial mismatch.
We need to clear this section before the next shipment arrives. Agreed. Let's start loading the first pallet now to keep the flow moving.
We need this one staged over by receiving near aisle 4.
Got it. I'll bring the forklift around now.
That stack is getting too high, and the pattern on the third layer looks unstable.
I agree. If the next layer shifts, the whole thing could collapse. The tension on this last batch seemed a little loose.
Okay, let's bump it up slightly here. See how that holds.
This one is headed to the Chennai hub, correct?
Yes, the manifest confirms it. I've updated the tracking on the tablet.
All right, let's get it loaded. Dispatch, we need a forklift at conveyor 3 immediately. Line is backing up.
Roger that. Be right there.
Can you take this to aisle 24 for me?
Yes, aisle 24, confirmed.
This pallet here is missing the last shipment's tags. Yeah, I just scanned it. We are short 3 cases according to the manifest. Take these pallets down to the main loading dock, Bay 3. It's just past the staging area.
Got it. I'll get the forklift and head there now.
Easy now, easy. You're hitting the bumpers. Compress it slow and stop. Good connection. Okay, confirming the temperature setting now. It's reading -10, just as requested.
Perfect. Let's get this loaded before the temperature shifts.
Is this spot good for the weight? Yes, perfect. We'll balance it out with the next one.
Pallet 34B confirmed. Check. Next one is ready.
That's the last one. Order number 723 complete.
All right, confirmed. We can load it up.
Yeah, I think we're all set then. Thanks for the quick turnaround. No problem. Everything loaded correctly. Have a good run.